Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have Safari fonts for African subscribers. So these files are font file TTF, and you can use in Android mobile phone in any font writing app. So first I install this. Right click here and install. I have already installed, but I replace this. 1 2. Okay, and now open the Photoshop, create a new file. So I write here my name, Sheri SK, and find here Safari. Wow, you can see. So I write one by one name, S, and Sheri SK. Wow, K H E R I M. Wow. N O P. All fonts are fantastic. T. Wow, the line behind. And Q. Dear. E. W. Z for zebra, but here is, I don't know what is this. B. B. Beast. And N. T. Okay, I know you write anything with this font. So subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.